We are at the Riga Christmas Market and it's 2 days before Christmas, so there's so many people here, but it's actually a really gorgeous day out. Gorgeous as in you can kind of see the blue skies and it's not freezing out. So we're gonna go and get some mulled wine.
Inside and all of the presents are still by the tree.
This is hot apple cider with Jameson. We came here a couple weeks ago and got this, and they have a little stamp, so it's like every time you buy one, you are one step closer to getting one free. We got all 4 stamps, so we're gonna have to come back and get another one today. But this is delicious. Warms you up in more ways than one. Not even strong. Can't even taste the Jameson. So obviously there's tons of vendors here selling all of their handmade items. And a couple weeks ago we came here and there's even modern cuisine here. So you can get ramen, you can get Asian, or you can go the traditional route and get like your meat and potatoes, sausages, elk stew, and you can also warm up with either mulled wine, hot apple cider with some Jameson in it, or an Irish coffee. So the world is your oyster here. Also, you know I'm very adventurous when it comes to food. We tried lamb sausage and we tried rabbit sausage. And I'm gonna tell you something, it was so good. I mean, it just reminded me of regular like prosciutto, salami, smoked meat, and it was delicious. And that's why I like coming to things like this, because you'll try things that, especially as a tourist, that you would never try in your home country. But here in Latvia, there's so much to try, so much to do, so much to see. I recently learned that Latvians love gingerbread, and here they call it piparkūkas, which is my favorite word now. And those are the gingerbread that you saw with all the special designs on it, gingerbread men, hearts, you can get your name on it, and they're absolutely beautiful and delicious. So now we're on a mission to try and narrow down what we want to eat for lunch. I think we're gonna go the traditional route and get us some pork and potatoes and sauerkraut. That's some of my favorite food, and I know Latvians have a lot of German influence on their food, and it's just like comfort food, so I think that's what we're gonna go for. So I got a sausage and some cabbage. Dominic got a pork leg, potatoes and cabbage. Oh yeah, we are ready to munch. What'd you get? Oh, you got duck? I thought it was pork.
Well, I always get pork. So.
Okay, so it's a duck leg. I'm not really sure what kind of meat this is, but I'm thinking beef. That is so good.
Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's not.
Do you see that sun reflecting off of me? This is the first time in a month that I have seen the sun, and I'm feeling so happy right now. We are at the House of Blackheads, and we're looking at a gorgeous, gorgeous Christmas tree. And I recently found out that Latvia is the first country to publicly display a Christmas tree. So that's going to wrap up this vlog here in Riga. Christmas time here in Riga is absolutely beautiful, and despite the gray days here and the cold days, I'm enjoying every minute of it. And I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, and I guess I will see you guys next year. Bye!